So now I wanted to show you how you would use Zearn. So after you log in, it would come up to the lesson that you were on, and then you would click on it, and then you would come up to a screen something like this for that lesson. So I'm showing you how to manipulate the device and what you can expect. So for right here, you can click on this button right here, and it will read the question or the problem to you, or the directions.
Use the picture to solve.
And then again, you don't have to click on that button, but you can.
Complete the addition equation.
Okay, so you would complete the addition equation. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And we can even skip count and say 2, 4, 6, 8.
Complete the number sentence.
4 groups of 2 equal, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 groups, and all of the groups are equal because they have the same number, and they each have 2 in them, and again, 4 groups of 2 equals 8. And you can press enter on your keyboard or the next button. So, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is the same thing as saying 4 groups of 2. You can think of this groups of as being in the multiplication symbol. So 4 times 2, or 4 groups of 2, equals 8. We will go more into that during your lesson. I just want to show you what happens when you go to Zearn. And again, I can see everything that you put into Zearn, so please make sure that you are working correctly or efficiently. Okay, so then now it says write a repeated addition sentence to find the total number of pairs. So you would say 4 plus, and then you could count, or you can see that there are 4 in the next group and the next group. And we would say 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 4, 8, 12. Now I want to show you what happens if you type the incorrect answer. So on the next one, I will show you that. And again, repeated addition is the same thing as saying multiplication. And we are saying 3 groups of, remember this X, or the multiplication sign, means 4 groups of, not 4 groups, sorry, 3 groups of 4. Right now, I'm going to show you what happens if you incorrectly answer the question. So it says draw a picture to match the equation, and it's talking about this equation up here. So you would actually need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm going to draw 3 just so you see what happens. And I'm going to put 2 in each one, and it says try again. Now this is where you would come back up here and change your answer or your drawing. Okay, now it goes over the problem with you and breaks it up a little bit more. So it says, how many groups of 3 are in this equation? And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. You cannot just count the plus signs. You have to count the numbers before the equation symbol. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what happens if I, again, do not answer the question correctly? Again, it breaks it up even more for you. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it has you go back over it. And sometimes it may make you go back even further and reteaching. So just remember that, and that's okay. And remember, this is repeated addition is the same thing as multiplication. And you are saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups of, remember this multiplication symbol means groups of 3. And 5 times 3, or 5 groups of 3, equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And then you're finished.